quick one on this. We are still on the double angle identities. So we are to derive an identity for cos3 theta in terms of cos theta. Meaning we don't want to see any value here apart from 1. That is nothing to be there. So this is having 3. So what do? We can also think of the compound angle here as if I have the cos 3 theta, that can also be taken as the cos of 2 of the theta plus 1 of the theta. So this is expanded in this form. And this expansion is of a compound angle. How do we expand this in terms of compound angle? That will be equals to the cos of the first angle, which is 2 theta, times the cos of the second angle, which is cos theta. Then minus the sine of the first angle, 2 theta. Then we multiply that by the second angle. So sine of what? Theta. That is by compound angle, right? This is the sum. Now, if you look at this, this is also the double identity. This is what we just did in the just ended 2 episodes. So this, so I write, okay, let me just write, but we can pick our cos 2 alpha, I think, theta. From the last episode, it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. That's not the only way we can expand it. We can also expand it to be 1 minus 2 sine square theta, or cos square theta minus sine square theta. But we are aiming at getting only cos. So no need bringing in sine when we can have the cos to bring only cos. Then for this very one, which is also the sine 2 theta, this will give you 2 of the sine theta and the cos what? Theta. So what do? By representation, all of this, as in the first part, should be taken care of by 2 cos square theta minus 1, multiplying the cos theta, right? Minus, what do? We are replacing all of this by 2 sine theta cos theta, which is being multiplied by the sine what? Theta. This one. This is what we replace by 2 sine theta cos theta. The sine is already there, so it will be there to multiply. A bracket and a bracket. Let's expand. This theta will multiply here and multiply here. So I mean the cos. So this is 2 cos squared times cos will give you cos to the power 3. So I will be having 2 cos to the power 3 theta minus the cos of theta. This is just 1/10. So this will multiply this will give it the power increase. So minus 2 sine square theta, the cos what? Theta. This is in cos. This is a sine square. We need to change it to become cos because we are looking for only cos. So what will I do? I can also say that my sine square theta is the same as 1 minus what? The cos square theta from the identities. So let's maintain the left and see what will it be. That will be 2 cos cube theta minus the cos theta. Where are we? 2 minus what? 2 into bracket. This will become 1 minus cos squared theta multiplied by the cos what? Theta, by that expansion. So only this, you are changing with this. So the 2 will be there, the cos theta will be there. Let's expand this further. So this gives us 2 cos squared theta cos squared. This is just like 2 times this. That will be 2 cos theta times 1. That will be 2 cos theta. Then the 2 times the cos will still be 2 cos theta times this. This is negative, so positive. positive 2 cos squared times cos cube theta. I guess you get it. Or you use a 2 to multiply this and this. Then your result will now multiply the cos theta. You come back to the same answer. I can see, no, this is to the power 3. Power 3, power 3. 2 of it. It becomes what? 4 of the cos cube theta. Well, again, I think that will be giving me negative cos theta minus 2 cos theta, so give us 3. That will be 3 cos what? Theta. So we can see that this is expressed in terms of theta alone without us having a value multiplying the theta here. I guess we follow. You can still play the video back if you don't get all the steps, or leave a comment in the comment section as we learn together. Share, subscribe, and like.